Hi, I'm Chad with Pilot John. So what is StartStick? StartStick is portable power that you can carry to the aircraft. Each StartStick is a lithium-powered ground power unit for fast, safe engine starts and clean DC power on the ramp, in the hangar, or off-grid. So the 10 amp hour model here delivers up to 28 kilowatts, 480 amps peak, and 200 amps continuous at 26.4 volts. StartStick also has a 15 amp hour and 20 amp hour model, built for pilots, flight schools, MROs, FBOs, and helicopter operators. Each unit features smart lithium control, short circuit protection, automatic shutoff, and all units are shockproof. So how many starts can you get out of these units? Well, it varies by model. The 10 amp hour model here, you can get around 3 to 4 starts. The 15 amp hour model, you can get several more, and up to 15 on the 20 amp hour model. So what's the recharge time? Around 3 hours from empty. What's the avionics run time? Around 20 to 30 minutes on the 10 amp hour model and higher on the additional models. Don't forget to add the right accessories like the bag or extension cable here and toss on board. Stay powered up and stay prepared with StartStick. Get yours today at pilotjohn.com.